Make a great choice today with the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, steel wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.